And that is our Cajun seasoning made. That looks and smells. Oh, that smells fantastic. Welcome to Backyard Chef. I'm Rick. Today this is a simple, easy Cajun spice mix. Okay, I'm just going to show you how to make a Cajun spice mix because I've run out. So it's simple to do. Let's crack on and show you. So we want 2 tablespoons of paprika. Now I'm using smoked paprika. I prefer the smoky flavour, but you know, that's up to you. 2 tablespoons of garlic powder. 1 tablespoon of crushed black pepper. Now this next ingredient's optional, guys. You know, I like it in there. It gives it that little bit of a flavour in with the Cajun seasoning. Now this is chicken powder. Now this is completely optional. Don't put it in if you don't want it in there. A tablespoon of chicken powder. And this is onion salt. We want 1 teaspoon of onion salt. 1 tablespoon of oregano and 1 tablespoon of thyme. And last but not least, we want a tablespoon of chili flakes. Now that is completely optional to as well, guys. You know, you use whatever chili flakes or chili powder that you want. We want a bit of heat in there. Now I know some people can't take the heat, so again, that's up to you. And then all we need to do is give it a mix up. And that is our Cajun seasoning made. That looks and smells. Oh, that smells fantastic. So that's it. A quick 2-minute video how to make Cajun seasoning. Then all we need to do is put it in something and store. That's it. Just bob it in an airtight container or a container that you're going to use. You know, I use it all the time, so it's just going in here. This is not proper airtight, but it's good enough and it's ready to go next time you want to make some Cajun dish. So that's it. Simple Cajun seasoning made. If you like what we're doing, don't forget, smash that like and subscribe. Share with your friends, all that kind of stuff. Catch you in the next video.